Welcome to Champagne Sundays. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about different ways to make a mimosa. So I know the traditional way would be to pour a little champs in a glass and then add OJ. However, this week we're going to do something different. We're going to make a champagne slushie. So first, you start off with an ice tray and you pour the champs into the ice tray. Okay? After you're done, you put the ice tray of champs into the freezer, and it's like magic. Ta-da! The champs is frozen. You break this up, and you would put it into a blender type thing, like this. You put the frozen champ ice cubes into the blender. See, this is all champagne. Then you just take what you blended and you put it into your champagne glass. So now you have a nice mimosa slushie. And if you're fancy like me, you'll add a garnish. Cheers to Champagne Sundays.